Hi, in this tutorial, we will going to talk about the merge statement in SQL. Merge statement is used to make changes on one table based on the values that matching from the another table. So, and it can be used to combine update, insert, and delete in one statement. And let's see how it's useful. It's very useful. You can use it in a SQL, you can use it in SIS. So we will have an example here and we will see more about this statement. So I have a table here called warehouse, all right, and I have another table here called store. I will create this table here and the other table here, and I will going to match the values between those two tables, and I will update the data for this table based on my result. It will be more clear for you guys once I start to create my script. So let me create here the first table called warehouse. It's right here, and the second one, it's called the store. All right, here I have to put okay, insert into null, null. It's already there, but let me here go to refresh it. Warehouse store, it's null value. I have to specify it here. I will say the location and product ID, product name, and here the quantity. Because I didn't specify any value here, so it says, hey, this is the values that you want to insert, which is only 4 values, which you have 6 columns. So you have to specify. I here specified now. Now it works. Let me select both. Okay, this is my warehouse information. I have those products in my warehouse. And I have here in this location in a store, I have this products. I will going to use the product ID to match between those two tables. And in case if it's matched, I need you to update my date with a command that's, hey, the product is already in a store and you're good to go. If it's not matched, I need you to move the product from warehouse into the store and give me here a notice says, hey, the product was missing in a store and it's recently moved into the store from the warehouse. So in case if it's matched, I want you to update. In case if it's not matched, I need you to insert to this table, to destination table. So everything, the update and the insert, it will be reflected into the destination or into the target table, which is this one, or any table that you want to use it as a target. So my statement will be, let me delete this since I created the both tables here, the warehouse. Uh, let me start writing my statement. Merge, I will say, shop as the target. Let me say it, store as target using the warehouse not all of it, warehouse as the source. Okay, now this is my condition will be here on target dot product ID product ID equal source dot product ID. Okay, I will add my condition when matched. I need you to update, then update set. You're not going to say update the store set because the merge statement knows you want to update the store or you want to update your destination, not the source. Or so you will going to say then update set update updated date. I'm talking about this column. Update date equal get date, and the comments no comments com, comments will says if it's matched I will going to say hey, the product already in stock. Okay, because it's there. Let me just clean or refresh my local cage so I'll get off from the red lines. Now when let me go here, make it more organized for you guys. When not matched, sorry, were not matched, then I'm going to insert, then uh, insert into, or no, without insert into, insert to location, just location, location product ID product name and quantity and update date and the comments, the values here will be a little tricky. The values here says the location, it will be here, it will be changed into WH. That's I know this is being recently uh, removed from the store and it's changed into um, it came from the warehouse. WH underscore to st. That's mean came from the warehouse, this product. And I will say here the src dot product ID. Anything that's like, for example, the keyboard is not here, right? It will come with its product and the name and with the quantity, of course. So I'll say source dot the product ID, comma, source dot product name, comma, source dot quantity, and the update date it's get a date. The comments will be uh, product moved from warehouse to store, and close. Okay, so this is my, and let me see here to well, looking for why there is a red mark here. Okay, now I'm going to execute my query. Now let me see. Okay, 4 records has been reflected. I'll go here to say, let me just going to show you. Select everything from store, from warehouse first, and then I'm going to select everything from the store. So we will know. See guys, I have here the first two, they are matching. You know, it's comparing between the products. The first two I already have it here, so the product already in stock. I don't need you to move anything. But here I see 3, 4, but here 5, 6, which is I'm missing the 3, 4. They are already sold and they are not in stock anymore. I didn't add anything here. Nothing has been, I need to do anything for those. What I'm going to do is with those that they are missing here, I need you to move them to my store table, which is here says the location will be came from the like WH warehouse to store recently, and this is the product, name, the product ID, sorry, is here, and the laptop with the keyboards, and this is the quantity as they are in warehouse, and here the same, and this is the date, the current date, and the comments says product moved from warehouse to store, which I knew that those two products has been like moved recently into the store because they weren't in the stock, sorry, in my store stocks. So this is how useful the merge statement. You have here your main script. You will name it first to name the target, which is our destination, DES, anything you can name it. And then here using this one as a source. And then this is where you're going to compare your two tables using this column or any column that you see it useful for you, and two conditions in case of matching. I need to update in case if it's not matching, I need to insert. You can like use delete or anything here instead of the update. So this is the merge statement. I hope that you guys enjoyed and my video was useful for you. See you for future videos. Thank you for watching.